Here we are at the original McDonald's in Downey, California. Original Speedy. We're inside the museum area.
I think you can go inside it. Come here.
You think we can go inside of there? To take your order, here's the first, here's a milkshake machine. Or as Dad would say, milkshake. Mac tonight, baby. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. That'll haunt your dreams. Mac tonight. There he is. It's Mac tonight. Come on, make it Mac tonight. And Ronald, who they don't use anymore. Cecilia, what do you think about Ronald McDonald?
What do you mean?
What do you think of him as a clown? Do you think he's like a happy clown or a creepy clown?
He looks kind of creepy to me.
Yeah, that's why they don't use him anymore. Creepy clown. Creepy clown. Oh, and what else do we got here? We got more Ronalds and Hamburglar.
The golden arches are now more
Adam Sandler. Yeah. They got some
McDonald's has truly reached epic proportions.
showing videos. We got how it looks from behind the desk, behind the counter.
Oh, there's a bathroom.
He is a giant.
Yes, the
in
bathroom.
the food industry.
15 cent hamburgers, Cecilia. What do you think about that? 15 cents for a hamburger.
This guy.
Is that a deal?
dominates What he got into.
That's a good deal.
I don't think the McDonald brothers
Matt, look at
invented anything like
Look
this.
at Ronald McDonald.
I think they had a very good concept, and you have to tip your hat to.
I'm gonna say hi to our fans.
But I think
McDLT, baby.
really-
The burger that was in 2 compartments within one.
Here you take
Keep the lettuce and tomato cool and a quarter pound of beef.
very much
Hot.
creates this multi-million-dollar.
So there you go. Cash register.
So by the standards of American capitalism, he's about as successful as you get.
Time cards. Punch in the card.
Ray Kroc's widow, Joan, is listed by
Which,
Forbes with a net worth of
McDonald's
$2.5
employees,
billion, though she's
are highly
poor
underpaid,
today because
have always
she
been.
recently gave $80
Multi-mixer.
million to the Salvation Army, the largest donation that charity
And
has.
let's go quickly back to the front and get one more picture of that milkshake maker. And there you go. Goodbye from the golden arches.